Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of our housing review series where we make house hunting feel a little less like a task and more like an adventure. If you enjoy honest and detailed project reviews, do not forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any updates. Today we are reviewing Crown, a premium residential development by the reputed Sugam Homes. This project has been designed to offer spacious homes, modern amenities and a refined lifestyle in one of Kolkata's most well-planned and prestigious neighborhoods. Crown is a premium residential project located in Sector 5, Salt Lake City, Kolkata. The development features well-planned high-rise towers and offers spacious 3 and 4 BHK apartments that are ideal for families looking for comfort, privacy and long-term livability. The apartment sizes range from approximately 1,572 square feet to over 2,261 square feet, ensuring generous living spaces and well-defined layouts. Talking about pricing, Crown falls into the premium segment of Kolkata real estate market. The 3 BHK apartments are priced from around 2 crores, while the larger 4 BHK homes can go up to approximately 2.7 crores, depending on the configuration, floor level, and unit layout. One of the key highlights of Crown is its strong location advantage. Being situated in Salt Lake Sector 5, the project enjoys excellent connectivity to major business districts, IT hubs, educational institutions, hospitals, shopping centers, and entertainment zones. Daily commuting is convenient and residents benefit from easy access to metro connectivity and major arterial roads, making it an ideal choice for working professionals and families alike. In terms of amenities, Crown offers a thoughtfully curated set of lifestyle features that enhance everyday living. The project includes landscaped open spaces, fitness and wellness areas, recreational zones, and dedicated spaces for children and senior citizens. From an investment perspective, Salt Lake City continues to remain one of Kolkata's most sought-after residential locations due to limited land availability and consistent end-user demand. With a trusted developer, premium positioning and spacious apartment configurations, Crown holds potential for long-term value appreciation as well as end-use suitability. So if you're looking for a premium home in one of Kolkata's most established and well-connected neighborhoods, Crown by Sugam Homes is definitely a project worth considering. That's it for today's review. I'll be back soon with more project reviews to help you find your next home. Till then, keep dreaming, keep scrolling, and remember, हर house के लिए housing.